Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, we're going to review a foundation I got from Lazada. Before we start guys, basically my skin type is oily, sensitive, morena, and with blemishes. So I got this one guys from Lazada. The brand is Elf. And this one guys is I think so before natin siya i-review guys, check muna natin siya, no? So itong Elf Acne Fighting Foundation, it contains 0.5% of salicylic acid. And the purpose of salicylic acid, as based from this one, is for acne treatment. I am in the shade of Sand. And galing siyang California, USA, pero made in China. Okay. So, Acne Fighting Foundation is lightweight foundation, helps disguise redness, blemishes, and uneven skin tone. Infused with acne fighting key ingredients, salicylic acid, witch hazel, camphor, tea tree, and soothing aloe. So basically guys, yung mga nababasa ko sa internet, yung salicylic acid and tea tree, they are really used for mga acne problems. So directions: using a foundation brush, apply a small amount to the center of the face and blend outward. So currently guys, I don't have a brush. I only have a squishy. This is my old one. I got from Robinson's supermarket. So ito yung packaging ng Elf Acne Fighting Foundation. It comes with clear na plastic sa harap. And then, yan yung packaging niya. Nandito yung mga ingredients, drug facts. So, pwede nyo siyang basahin. And also, I'm in the shade Sand. Yan. So, try natin yung open. So, ito siya guys. It's very simple. And sa likod, directions and warning. And yung shade niya guys. So, yeah. Ganyan siya. Sige, yan. Apply pa. Sige, dampi-dampi mo lang. Slowly, but surely. Yan. Perfect. Sige pa. Ganda. Sige, kaya mo yan, girl. In fairness. Back. Siyempre, sa leeg. Natin kalimutan ang leeg. Siyempre, lip tint tayo, beshi. Itong Elf, maganda siya talaga. Nakakatulong siya na mag-brighten yung mukha mo kahit paano. And Sand Beige is really perfect for my skin, which is, brown, morena type. For me, okay naman siya. Na-cover niya yung mga blemishes na at saka yung spots ko. But then, ang hindi lang yan na-cover for me is yung mga bigger scars. So, all in all guys, I still recommend this to those who are looking for foundation na medyo acne prone skin sila. I still recommend this to you guys. Pero, syempre, disclaimer, hindi naman lahat ng skin pare-parehas tayo guys. So, why not give it a try? To rate this from 1 to 10, I think e.l.f. foundation for me is 8 out of 10. 8 kasi hindi niya natakpan yung blemishes, yung big scars ko, like ito, tsaka yung nandyan sa cheek ko. Pero overall naman, mukhang natural lang yung look natin, hindi tayo masyadong nagpaputi, which is mas gusto ko yung ganong klaseng foundation. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye!